Over 1 million work permits held by Indians in Canada expired last year, and another 927,000 are expiring this year.
Canada is expected to see a sharp rise in undocumented immigrants as millions of work permits expire.
If you are in Canada right now, listen up. So here's what's happening. 1.05 million work permits expired in 2025 and another 927,000 are set to lapse in 2026. Nearly half of these are held by Indians. When your work permit expires, you lose your legal status immediately. No work rights, nothing. Unless you have already renewed, switched to another visa, or got your PR sorted. But here's the problem. Canada has capped permanent residence admissions at just 380,000 for 2026. That's it. And they have made the labor market impact assessment criteria way tighter, which means extending your status or transitioning to PR just got a lot harder. The math doesn't add up. Way more permits expiring than PR spots available. The competition is brutal right now. Employers now need to start LMIA renewals at least 6 months in advance. And even students are feeling the squeeze with study permit quotas cut by 7% and work hour caps dropping back to 20 hours in March. Here's what you need to know. Canada's 90-day restoration window offers limited help. Immigration lawyers are saying start your PR applications early, maybe through provincial nominee programs. And if Canada feels too risky, France has study opportunities with pathways that could give you alternate routes. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Comment Canada status right now and we will guide you on the safest next steps based on your exact situation. Don't wait till the last minute.